This is a tutorial on transferring crypto from Revolut to your own wallet. So, first step, launch the Revolut app and navigate to the crypto section, please. This section might be represented by an icon or a tab depending on your app version, but usually it just says there crypto, and you'll see right down below an option to select crypto. Now, select the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer by tapping on it, or you have a search bar and you can search for that crypto that you're looking for in the search bar. Usually is in the top. At least that's how I see on my Revolut app on the low version I'm using. Now, locate the send button and tap on it. You should see two options, to a Revolut friend or to an external wallet. Choose to external wallet. Revolut might display a list of your previously used compatible wallet addresses. If the address you want to transfer to is there, simply select it. Otherwise, tap to new to add a new recipient. For a new address, you can either scan a QR code using your phone's camera or manually paste the wallet address in the designed field. Remember to also assign a name for this recipient for future reference. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. This is crucial. Make sure you review the transfer details. Double check the recipient's wallet address and the amount you're sending and the network fees associated with the transaction. We repeat again, review the transfer details and double check the recipient's wallet address. Revolut should clearly display these details. And now once you're confident everything is accurate, confirm the transaction using your fingerprint, your PIN, depending on your Revolut security settings. Now, by following these steps, you should be able to successfully transfer your crypto from Revolut to your own wallet. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day.